happens if you give your assets away? We've had that question talking about the nursing home Medicaid.
We have, and it works very much the same way. So it used to be that we could actually help people qualify for this by simply giving their assets away and then applying for benefits the next month. There was no penalty for transferring assets for VA purposes like there is for transferring assets for Medicaid purposes. That all changed October 18th of 2018. And ever since then, there's a disqualification of 1 month for every $2,266 that's given away within 3 years of application. So we have, like Medicaid, there's a 5-year look back. VA benefits has a 3-year look back. So a 36-month look back, we go backwards and say, have you made any gifts? If you have, we're going to total those gifts up. We're going to divide them by $2,266. And the product of that division is going to give you the number of months that you're disqualified for the benefit.
Okay.
And so if I've got someone that, let's say, has $151,000, they're over the $129,000 exemption number that I said by about $23,000. So if I take this $23,000 that they've got and I give it to my child, and then I apply for this benefit, I'm not going to be qualified. I meet the asset standard because I'm at the 129, but I have given assets away within 36 months of applying.
Okay.
I'm going to be disqualified for 10 months. You know, $23,000 divided by $2,266 is going to give me a product of about 10 point something. So we're going to, for month 11 though, I'm qualified. We now start getting this benefit amount of $2,266 a month for a married couple. So it, you know, just because you're over doesn't mean you shouldn't proactively seek to get qualified. There are things you can do. Gifts are okay as long as you understand what the penalty is, but it may be simple enough that rather than making a gift, I go buy a car. I go buy a $30,000 automobile and now I'm qualified because remember the car is an exempt asset.
Okay.
So it's not as simple as just, oh, well, I don't qualify, poor me.
Okay.
You know, take the next step and say, well, what can I do to become qualified? Because there are strategies, there are steps that can be taken to qualify for this benefit, just like there are for Medicaid. And they're written in the law. It's not something that we're sneaking around doing or we're not supposed to do or cheating the system. They're written in the law. The law is written assuming that you're going to act in accordance with it, that you're going to act reasonably and do the things that they allow you to do, that they permit you to do.
Because sometimes some of those things are needs, such as you need
Absolutely.
that transportation, going to doctors or therapies. And
Exactly right. Yeah. We don't want mom to be driving around in a 30-year-old vehicle in an unsafe area of town. And so we have these exemptions for these very reasons.
Makes
Exactly.
sense. Okay.